It's another sunny day. Let's get straight to it. This is the new project car. This is a 2005 R50 Mini Cooper. This is the project car. It's an R50 Mini Cooper from 2005. The car has 268,000 kilometers on it. And I think this is the second engine it's had, because it doesn't look, the block has been painted, so it must have been taken out and replaced. So we gotta do a few things before we can move forward. We gotta make sure it's mechanically okay. So we gotta look for like rust or any of the subframe. We gotta check the oil to make sure it doesn't have any metal flake. You gotta check the timing chain, because these things have a thing called death rattle, where the guides fail and the chain starts slapping around. That can put metal through your whole car, which kills your rod bearings, so we gotta check rod bearings as well. Oil, timing chain, and rod bearings. After we do that, then we can work on the cosmetic stuff. Finding wheels, replace the front bumper, do some body work on the back. I might just replace the whole back, like, trunk lid, because it has a lot of rust on there. And I think everything around the light, I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do by hand, because I have no idea how to do body work, and I don't think I like it very much, even though I haven't really done it. So this is a little 1.6 liter engine. I believe the block is a W10, and then the R53 is a W11. I think they have stronger components than the supercharged ones, but I'm not really sure. But this is just like an NA, no turbo, no supercharger, just a straight 4-cylinder, and they sound pretty good. This is there. This is riddled with stones. This battery's way too big. Yeah, oh, that's safe. Look at that. That is one of the engine mount bolts. Damn. Okay, we'll have to look on the other side of this to see whether the thread came out. Oh. Wow. Okay, well that's empty. That's welded. Sketchy ground. Originally the owner thought the clutch had gone on this, but I think I just found the problem. We thought the clutch had exploded. But if the clutch exploded, the car wouldn't go anywhere. So I just realized that the linkage for first and I can't remember the other gears, but that is completely worn out, so at least we can avoid the whole clutch situation. So far, this thing kind of looks like a piece of crap, but when you pay $1,200 for a car, you should kind of expect to get a piece of crap. So the next video after this is going to be me checking up on the kind of internals of the car. Oil, engine, timing chain, rod bearings. Just some simple stuff to make sure that the engine at least is mechanically sound, so we can steer away from that and start working on the other mechanical stuff, tie rods and sway bar links and exhaust, and then after that we can get on to the cosmetic stuff. So there's a lot of content coming, a lot of work to do, but I think I can do it, and I hope you guys follow along and maybe learn a thing or two along the way. Who knows? We'll see, but thank you for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video.